In this video, I'll show you how to upload photos on Google Drive and share the link. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, I want to head over to my browser, right? This is my browser. And I want to download an image and upload it to my Google Drive and share the link, right? So this video basically is an educational video. So if you got any questions or feedbacks, ensure you share your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be with you there. So I can come on here and type in, okay, I can type in money, right? Money. So I'm gonna download this and upload to my Google Drive, right? And make it shareable. So I would come on here, save as. I can come on here and okay, I'll type in money, right? Money. So once I've typed it in, I would save it. Now I want to go to my Google Drive, right? I want to go to my Google Drive. So I would wait for this to load. I would click on this. I'll wait for it to open. Yeah, so I would click on this drive, right? So here is my Google Drive, and I want to upload that video I just saved. I want to upload that image I just saved right into my PC now and make it shareable, right? So I would click on, let me say, okay, this. I can create a new folder, right? And I'll name the folder money. Yeah, so I just named this folder now. I would create this folder. Yeah, so I just created this folder now. And I'm going to open this folder right now. And I would click on here. Yeah, I would add, okay. I want to upload a file to this, right? I'll go to my downloads. Yeah, so this is it. This is money. It's currently uploading. So I just uploaded this photo to my Google Drive, and if I go back, I want to show you how you can share the link to someone. You just come on here, click on these three dotted icons, right? Click on it. You'd see this share. Then once I've clicked on this share, you'd see this copy link below. This is basically how you can share your photos, how you can upload a photo on your Google Drive and share link. If you enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll be with you guys in the very next one.